Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, Christmas wreath decoration ideas. Viewers, so let's start today's video. Mini gift wreath. Use tiny warp gifts box and glue them all around the wreath. Fun parts and perfect for kids' room. Light wreath. Warp fairy lights around the wreath. Turn it on at night. Warm and magical glow for the door. Snowman wreath. Use two wreaths, one small, one big. Add a scarf, hat and buttons. Now your wreath become a snowman. Santa hat wreath. Make the wreath in red and white color. Add a Santa hat on the top. Cute and festive. Star wreath. Shape wire into a star. Warp it with garland and add golden ornaments. A wreath that's not round but still Christmas theme. Classic green wreath. Weavers, take a base green wreath, add red berries, pink cones, and a big red bow. Simple, traditional, and beautiful. Snow wreath, white wreath. Use a white or forest wreath. Add silver ornaments and a snowflakes. It look like winter on your wood, on your door, friends. And weavers and weavers, candy canes wreath. Warp red and white ribbon around the wreath like a candy cane. Add a small decoration, sweet and festive. Gingerbread wreath. Cover the wreath with small bells. When the door open, it make a happy Christmas sound. Ribbon wreath. Take a foam ring and tie different Christmas ribbon all around. It no glue needed, just tie and fluff. Easy and cute. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel. And viewers, thanks for watching my videos. So friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the